Well, today we're going to clean our Breville Espresso machine. Our cleaning light is on solid, which means we need to descale it. So I picked this up at Walmart today. Descaling liquid. It's an option that we can get at Walmart, or you can use Breville's powder. You mix into 1 liter of water, stir it up, and put it into the water in the back. So what we're going to do is pour the whole bottle in here. We'll give it a bit of a stir up and then we'll start the process. So you press and hold the 2-cup button, and then at the same time press and hold the power button. Then the process starts. There you go. Couldn't do it with one hand and hold the camera at the same time. We'll let it warm up and then we'll start the process. We'll remove this. When the water's hot, ready to go, the 1-cup button turns solid. Let's see what happens. There, we can do it one more time. Move on to the next step. Continue on. We'll do the hot water. Then we can do the steam. And then we can do the water. We'll do the steam again. And we can do the water again, hot water again.
Hit the button here again, 1 cup. Do that again.
What we'll do is you keep going back and forth doing all 3 processes until our water tank is empty. Then we'll clean the tank out and rinse it with fresh water. Now that we got the fresh water in here, the tank all clean, we're going to continue with these cycles all over again, all 3 of them, until the tank is empty. And then when we turn the power off and start over again, it'll be back to normal, all clean. Well, we're all done. We emptied the tank in the back with fresh water. We're going to power off. We power on. Lights off, we're all clean. Time to enjoy some more espresso. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully it helped you clean your machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe.